Hey guys, Stephen here from Heresy Academy. So this is the introduction video for our Angry Birds tutorial. So again, I've started off this new series with the Unity website. To get here, you just go to unity3d.com. You see this up here. Just click on Get Unity Now. This isn't going to be another video of how to download it. I just wanted to start it off on this website. So we're going to make an Angry Birds game, or an Angry Birds clone, as much as a clone can possibly be. But another thing I wanted to point out was, some of you won't know this, but Unity Engine was used for Angry Birds 2. And you can find information out on this website, madewithunity.com or madewith.unity.com. Yeah, so just search Angry Birds in Unity. It's quite a good read. I like reading through this. Just a couple of things I wanted to point out to you, which I've actually forgotten now. Sorry, this here. Throughout the course, we'll go through different physics for setting up your structures like these, doing the slingshot so you can hit them. But you'll notice in the Angry Birds game, you've got different pieces like this, like these houses that just stick out. If I can get hold of, I mean, obviously I won't be able to use the exact assets, but I'll just pick up some assets like this, and I'll just basically show you how to set it up so these are solid objects that sort of in the way, and then we'll possibly do these fans. So I've gathered some screenshots from Angry Birds 2 and Angry Birds 1. And we're going to sort of dissect them as much as we can, and I'll sort of talk about what we're going to do throughout this series. So the first one here is the level system for Angry Birds 1. It's just basically a load of squares, padlocks on it when they're locked. Get level 1, and you can get stars as well. I didn't get another screenshot of this. The next one is a level out of Angry Birds 2. I don't know which level it was. In fact, I think it was like 110 or something. Or yeah, 110. As you see, you've got some fans here. I'm thinking perhaps showing how to do the fans in the videos. Obviously, we'll do the slingshot. We'll have different structures here. You can see, once we start doing the structures, you'll understand more about. If I can just zoom in. I don't know if you can see it very clearly. If you've played Angry Birds 2, you'll know that they've got these balloons that sort of stick in the way, and they hold up these structures. They've got these fragile umbrella things, got the barrels, TNT. I'll zoom back out a bit so you can sort of see the TNT a bit better, I suppose. No, I don't know. Then you've got the different types. You've got the wooden pieces, the glass pieces, or the frozen pieces. I always thought they were glass, but it turns out they're actually frozen. And then stone pieces, different shapes, sizes, all sorts of things. I'll go into more detail about structures as well in the video about structures. This one, Angry Birds 2 as well, it's done it where it's not just fighting one structure, well, not just destroying one structure. You can get levels where you've got like 5 rooms. I've actually seen one where you've got 6 rooms. I don't know how many it goes up to. There's a point system. So when you fill your point bar, you get a new card, which actually isn't shown. Why have I not got the card on here? See if I can move along to one. Oh, it kind of sucks. If you played Angry Birds 2, well, this is an example. If you played Angry Birds 2, you start your level out and you've got cards, and basically you've got 3 cards that are in sort of like your deck area down here, and then the other ones are tucked away here. So you can click between which ones you want, and you just fire it. I don't know if you can change from the deck to your cards. You just normally have 3 cards situated down here, and you choose which one, and then you fling it. And if your points go up and you fill the bar, then you get given a new card. And there are also these pigs, these yellow pigs. If you destroy that, it fills your bar for you. So we can look at setting something up like that. So when you've got a specific requirement. As well, if you played it, after you get each card, it gets harder to get the next one, sort of thing. This screenshot itself is from a boss level. I didn't take it in time, and then I missed it basically because I'd run out of cards. I just rushed through to get to the end level to try and take a picture, and then did the screenshot, and then I had to wait, and then the boss was here, but then it came up with. Where did it come up with? What was it? Oh, come on. Did I not get that picture? Oh, this one. Yeah, so the boss is actually here. And what I wanted to do was take a screenshot of this anyway. But there's normally an icon here that says watch a free video and you get a free bird. So I'm hoping to take a look into that. You've got obviously in-app purchases for your gems, which can be better represented in this picture. This is also the level system for Angry Birds 2. I don't know if they've incorporated into any other Angry Birds games. They haven't done it in Angry Birds 1. So your in-app purchases there, you can have your gems. You can buy them. So I can show you how to set up in-app purchases. You've got your overall level, like your player level or something, and you've got to collect all these stars. It goes up and up, but as well you collect stars from playing in the arena. Oh, there's my name. Probably should take that out, but I'm not really bothered. So this here, this section is obviously it's called the nest. This is where you keep your cards. Once you've obviously unlocked them all, you level the cards up themselves by collecting feathers. And as you can see, I've not really done too great with them. I've got a 5. I feel chuffed with that. But yeah, so we can set up how to do the cards. Pardon me, I've got a dodgy throat today. How to do the cards, how to do the feather system, and there's a possible maybe of doing the multiplayer, setting up the arena. I say maybe because I don't know if I'll be able to set it up with this. I'm just using a laptop at the moment to do these recordings, you see. So yeah, you can collect stars as well from winning the arena, and you've got to buy tickets. Or you can get a free ticket, and you can also win tickets or buy tickets. So again, in-app purchases. Setting up the Facebook friends here. Obviously, you've got to link it to your Facebook. I normally do, but every time I go in the game, it seems to turn it back off for me or something. I don't know. A loading screen. I can teach you how to do a loading screen. What else would there be? Again, on in-app purchases in Angry Birds 1, you can actually buy boosts, and yeah, these as well. That's what you call power-ups or boost, or this Mighty Eagle thing. I never remembered that to be paid for, but it's been a while since I actually played Angry Birds 1, so we shall see. And then also how to incorporate ads in the game. I obviously set up score to read like this. I think that's pretty much it. We'll do a video on how to set up audio as well. I'm just having a look through, see if there's anything else. I mean, if you come across anything else, or even throughout the videos, if you decide to drop a comment, say, oh yeah, how did you do this? If I've missed anything out of this introduction, then just point it out. So, well, oh, no, I think I said TNT actually. I said I'll do the TNT for you. The actual pigs themselves, I'm sure there'll be a certain limit as to what I'd actually be allowed to sort of take apart and show you. But it's like within the law. I don't want to get done for copyright. I'm not selling anything. I'm just teaching you how to do something. So I'm sure it'll be okay. So yeah, I can sort of teach you how to do different kind of enemies. I think that's it really. Yeah, that'll be it really. So yeah, that's this is the introduction. Then this is the introduction video. The title obviously says Unity 5 tutorial Angry Birds clone. It's going to be a clone as much as a clone we can make it. And this is actually an example of the balloons. Like I'll teach you how to make funky structures so you can set it up. And it's basically just having fun with physics and testing it out and making sure it doesn't fall over. But then these balloons as well, so once you pop the balloon, well, gravity will take its course and all this will fall down. Well, I mean, this half will fall down at least. And then we'll put different mass, a different amount of mass. So this rock will weigh more than this hollow wooden structure. So theoretically, if you just pop that balloon, these pieces will fall. This will wobble a little bit, which might fall, might not. I think it does completely fall. Like, it weakens it and it wobbles. I can't remember too much. But yeah, it's just a basis of messing around with physics, really, and it's just having fun, you know. And obviously, you've got different items like lanterns or wooden spiky fence post things, or like the fences, the weird pipes. You've got all sorts of different things put in here, and I'll teach you how to set up as much as I can. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy this new series, and that's it really. So, you know, give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you can see when the new videos are released, and we shall speak again in the next part.